name is Sean, and today we will be learning how to make a TNT cannon. Most of you have maybe seen this, but I just want everybody to know it. So first this is how you start. So first you go with 5 TNT blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make a whole box like that. Okay. Then put water. Like actually, we're not gonna do that part yet. So we're gonna get some obsidian or some stone. Is your choice, but I'd rather do obsidian. So we get obsidian or stone, cobblestone, and we do this. Okay. Now take this and then break this part like this. Okay. Then add the water in the middle, but it has to be in the middle. So then get some redstone, put it all around here, like this, like so. So then we get some more obsidian. You can put this wherever you want, but I'd rather put it in the middle. And get a button or a lever. It could be any button. Put yourself on this, and then it starts to bubble, but don't worry. Nothing will happen bad. You'll get thrown up into the air. And this will be a good time. But if you're on Xbox, I'm telling you, you would maybe rather prefer on the Xbox because it will have a better view. So that's the end of the video. Please drop a super like, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. And thank you a lot. Goodbye.